pule jangka College of Postgraduate Studies in Agricultural Sciences CAU Imphal mentag step kilami paidbah ban penlong ye ke jingïakhih paidbah bat shongkalan mungor haplau jangka school ba pandawa ye kibor penyat bakin wengkam mardor no yo Professor Pranab Datta Chairman ke School of Crop Protection ubala sha ke no bu dan kti le ken shleng persha ya arngot ki samla pule ken thei hapo ke tei ke chaka pule ki samla pule ki bawan na ki jala ba pher jangkari ban beteng ki jing pule ha ka te school ba kilapan paw ye ki jing songkhya ka bajor halor ka te ki jingja ka ba kat kum ki jing ye tho jangki kala ja naduh ki ne ki banai baladap henry hadu menta ampat shamla dan ka no ka sin jam persha ya utei unong hikai wat hadien ba kiladap ban ujor sha ka internal complaint committee ha ke jingïakhih ki samla pule ki la ra ye ki plakat ki bapenram jor ye ke jingsha le ben je ki samla ken thei hapo ki jaka pule bat ban pen pau ba ki samla pule kim dei ban long ki langkanya haba ki lewa jingnang jingstan ki samla ki la pen scamru balada ke internal complaint committee kam shemkhia ban le ai halor ke ni ke jingkano kin nang beteng ye ke jingïakhih bat kin se shem da ka wei pat ka sinjam hadien ka tu ka ne por jang ka te ke jingïakhih lawan poiru ki Lyngba majistor ki bala persang ban penjai ya ke jinglong jingman mat batha ya ki bor bedei pet jang ka school ba makin penlong mardor ya ke jing toket ka babanya Lyngba ke internal complaint committee bat ban penpau ba ya ka kaipot jang ka jing token ka jing tawa ka ba khamat e jang ki samla pule ka long bedei ban wengkam sundan yo te professor namar ka te ke jingle jang u ka lakta jor ya ke jing shngan ba jing shania jang ki samla pule ban kirsha ni ki samla pule kinong yalam jangka women organization of riew hapo ka jingyalam jangka kong mira jun mirsing kom ka president bat ka kong rivelet kala kom ka nong aibut kila let ru shagate ka jaka ban wa jingte bat ai men cm ye ki samla ka seng kalapan pau bagi babon ki samla ken thei ki wan na jangai ban wat jingnang jing start bat kum ka seng kam kwa bagi ne ki brio banabar ken wan ban penlong ye ka ne ka jaka kum ka jaka le be ijat ye ki khenna pule bat kum ka seng ka penram jor yo tei unong hikai ubalan nuot ban le kum ka tei ka jat kam ban pentieng pen smet ye ki samla pule ka word kalapan ram jor ye ka tei ka jingja bat ban pau ru ba kum ki ne ki jingja kim dei ki banja ha ka ne ka district henry hakaleng ki jaka ba ki samla pule kim dei ban tieng ban mi shakhamat ban sei madan ye ka jingshisha bat nakaliang ka seng ka pen pau ru ka jing sngongu usp ba dc ki bala shimkhia maldor hadien ka jing pyntip bat pha ru ye ki pulit bat majistor sha ka tei ka jaka
Then immediately I said, okay, you go for IC committee.
सर आप लोगों को नहीं पता चला जो लोग नहीं भी पता है ना हम लोगों को पता चल गया कि आईसी कमेटी कल आया था सैटरडे को पूछिए
Jangka women organisation of Lyngba district. Yo ikan complain, hadin bala yo complain. Saturday, immediately ngila ay pisang ban buat ikilat enti jingara, ngila consult iki, tingla pentip sa women commission, ngila pentip ru segi police officer badi jangka women's wing mo, ti ngila yo ban yekten beki, ngila yo ban discuss beki, ti hadin katanya ay ka motivational support iki, bakin yak shemphang namar bangi sutho ba. Kani ka harassment, sexual harassment ye kikna kambi tang ka ye kikna na ye long kumi kambi ka baja tang hangi hapo district jongi kadi ki bajaj ki ki chakaru babun ki naki brio ki bangat hakini ki jingjam kimnut i ka banshi mi ka step bakin one sakhman baka pelong iki bakin poishedu bakin le iki nukin bantik any drastic step to harm themselves teknang banlat ni kini ki iki baro ngi kum kilong kumi ni don yak tak hok bangin support iki kanang ban ai men sim iki kinu ki basem kum iki jingja bakin wan sakhmat bakin mi sakhmat bakin complain be kalong hakano kuno komro kim dei yak ban shifting ka ai ka ba jai ki kun kentei ki jongi mo ngidei ban nut yak ban slur yak ban kren yak hok bat ki jingsisa te nakadaw nakaliang jongi ni wan hang ni ban support iki tingla yok ban kren beki te nakaliang jongi ni pau ki jing sungu DC USP jong kri boy ki kla yo jing tips pangkanya but immediate action kila shim kila pha iki ki police hang ni ban protection te kum jur mentasa shemphang isi kila ban wan ki magistrate tingi pau ki jing sungu no DC but SP ru jong kri boy district kila shim immediate action on this matter tang katai ki shim
That's the only immediate suggestion we could give while the inquiry is still going on.
While the inquiry is still going on, the immediate action that you could have taken was the immediate action that you could have taken was to refrain that person from interacting with the students. But that person can still interact with the committee members.
No, during the inquiry, unless we call him for the inquiry,
And
not in contact with
Did you call for a hearing of the
us.
students?
All the students of CPGS AS Umyam, we have come together to protest against the sexual harassment of our two fellow research scholars by the chairman of School of Crop Protection, Professor Pranam Datta, and the girls have been sexually harassed by the professor. So we have come together to stand and fight against the sexual harassment. And also we are truly disturbed by how the internal complaint committee has been handling the case. So we want justice and we want
since he has not been terminated or any legal notice or circular has been made till now, because such kind of faculty or a person shouldn't be allowed in the campus or anywhere in this academic campus. So we want a complete termination for him, and until the further notice, we want him to be stay out of this campus, and that's our major demand. And we need an external complaint committee to look into the matter further, because we have no trust in the internal complaint committee. That's what we are doing.
Lodged. So what have you done? Have you done any inquiry or anything?
It's immediately, ma'am. Immediately, sir, I received one letter from the complainant number 1 at 4:30. Immediately in front, I called my committee members to my chamber, and after that, I just discussed with them. And
Who are the committee members?
committee members, please come. The two complainants is guided by that one of the professor, and that professor was primarily that one of the member of our IC. So that we are requesting to our dean that co-opted one member instead of Dr. Mahesh Pathak. Okay, sir. After that, dean is nominated. That Dr. Lala Ipra is the co-opted member. But we all 5 are the last 24 say. Sir, we are the internal committee member, and I am the chairman.
Okay, ma'am. I just want to know कि जब May 6 में complaint मिला, then what action did you take?
एक्शन सर मेरा कमिटी मेंबर को मैं इन्फॉर्म किया जे ये एक स्टूडेंट PhD स्कॉलर with the hard document coming to me and saying that these are things happened and sexually harassed by the Dr. Pranab Datta, one of the professor of School of Crop Protection. So after that, date 6, already that time is over, sir. Our time is 5 o'clock. So everybody is in a hurry.
What time you received the complaint?
4:30.
4:30.
Sir. So 5, after 5, everybody is already.
On May 7, what did you do?
7, sir, we are sitting, calling my all members, and one confidential meeting with the in presence of the external online mode, and we discuss what we can do. Then in the meantime also, another mail received from the second complainant. Then I can advise to that girl, whatever you are saying, just put a mail as a complaint for the presently now, and after that you send your hard copy. So as per my chairman, I advised her this much. After that, we receiving 2 complainants. Then
So one thing I would like to add here. So written
act, we are on process.
Ma'am, I agree that you are on process. Don't talk. मैम, जब मैंने आपको कहा है कि मैंने रिटर्न कंप्लेंट दिया, आप तो बोल सकते हो नहीं दिया है, मैंने मेल नहीं किया था.
ऐसा नहीं है.
होता है मैम.
ऐसा नहीं है. We are receiving सारे to hard copy. कैसे हम बोलेंगे कि कंप्लेंट रिसीव नहीं किया? We are 2 complainant. We are received the mail with the 2 hard copies, sir. So already all are going on proper procedure as per the 2013 Post Act, and online also our external member also always present with us, and my member also to second date 7 we are working, sir, up to 9 o'clock in the college.
And what decision did you make?
Decision, sir, as per the Post Act, one counselor is appointed for students, complainants, and immediately
against the person,
sir, as per the external ma'am suggested, and Post Act rule also, that refrain to that respondent from the surrounding.